she came in today and complained of her hiatus hernia. She had no idea that I treat hiatal hernias. I have people coming to me all over the country, all over the world even, to treat for the hiatal hernia because they can't find anybody to treat them in their part of their country or even their part of the US. So it is something I specialize in, treating hiatal hernias. While we're lasering her knee, we're going to show you how you can treat your hiatal hernia on your own. Okay, so this video is going to help you guys figure out how to treat a hiatal hernia. So if you have acid reflux, GERD, heartburn, you most likely have a hiatal hernia. You can have your partner do this. It's very hard to do this yourself, but I'm going to show you how right now. So if you want to do it yourself, you'll have to stick your thumb into your rib cage, right where the ribs come together all the way up at that point there. That's called your xiphoid process. And you want to stick your thumb in there right under the rib. And do this while you're laying down on your back and your knees are bent like her knees, okay? And then you're gonna stick that thumb in there as deep as you can, and then you're gonna push the thumb down to the belly button and do it in a slow motion. So it's like a massaging stroke from the xiphoid process underneath it as you can get, and scooping or sloping it down with your thumb nice and slow, dragging that thumb along the skin and kind of like massaging the abdominal muscle all the way down to the belly button. I'm gonna show you how we do it on her. So again, I go right to where the xiphoid process is, where the ribs come together in the middle, and then just a finger breaths to the left is where the stomach is. And then you can have someone else do this. It's better if you have your partner do this for you. And your partner's gonna stand above you, where I am, at the right shoulder, at the opposite shoulder. So stand at the right shoulder, take your left hand and left thumb, stick it right in that xiphoid process, right underneath the ribs, and push it straight down, straight down. And if you hear or feel like pulsation under your thumb, you hear like gurgling, that's okay, that's the stomach. And then you're gonna go ahead and start to scoop like in this motion and slide the thumb down. So I'm gonna do it because you can't see my thumb from that angle. I'm gonna do it with this thumb so you can see it. So we're pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, and then as I feel it, I'm gonna scoop down with my thumb, and then I'm gonna go ahead and maintain that pressure, and I'm gonna slide all the way down to the belly button area. And then we're gonna do it again. We're gonna do a few of these repetitions. You can try this at home, do this to yourself, or better yet, have someone help you, standing over the right shoulder, pushing their finger in, pressing down. It's gonna be a little bit uncomfortable at first, pressing down, and once they feel like they can't go any further, then they can scoop the thumb like this, and then slide that thumb down while maintaining that consistent pressure on the stomach. And again, do that 3 to 5 times. I hope this helps you guys. So again, 3 to 5 times. I hope this helps you fix your hiatal hernia. This is a self-help treatment for hiatal hernia, acid reflux, or GERD. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.